In general knowledge, a multi-tool is a piece of pocket-sized gear that combines endless array of features for any life occasion. However, today this designing approach was transitioned to other items as well. So now we are seeing multi-use axes, shovels, credit card-sized survival kits, and keychain accessories that can become your reliable companions on any camping trip or just a regular day away from the toolbox. In this episode of Must See Tech, we will demonstrate to you the newest inventions that can easily replace an entire shed worth of equipment while fitting in your pocket or a backpack at most. So subscribe to our channel, ring the bell to get notifications about the new releases, and let's roll! Wolf Thorn. Zunelotoo is the Chinese brand that produces affordable but hardcore survival gear that also has lots of chances to pop up in some criminal reports as a killer's weapon. Their latest creation is a mini 12.5 inches camping shovel that weighs just 1 pound and will fit in any backpack, because when folded, the length is just 7 inches. The blade is cast of high-quality carbon steel with no welded-on parts, so the manufacturer is brave enough to claim unbreakability of the product and offers lifetime warranty. In the shovel mode, its versatility is enhanced with a unique 6-position shift key that lets you operate the blade at a desirable angle. Additionally, the handle made of aircraft-grade aluminum hides a fire starter. MRF Multitools, Adventur, and Extreme 3.0. Chances to get lost completely unprepared in the middle of nowhere are rather slim, but for the peace of mind, it won't hurt to always have a credit card-sized survival kit in your wallet. The products manufactured by the MRF Multitools offer just such a solution, and their lineup keeps expanding. Last year, the Adventur 3.0 was successfully brought to the market through Kickstarter, and for the 2020, even a more minimalistic but just as versatile Extreme 3.0 tool is being crowdfunded on the platform. Believe it or not, but these things have over 40 uses and weigh just 1 through 2 ounces, being made of either stainless steel or titanium. The super credit card can serve as a screwdriver, a wrench, an axe, a shovel, a knife, an arrow or a spearhead, a fire starter, a sundial clock, a slingshot, and so much more. Off-grid tool survival axe. With the size of a regular hand axe, OGT Survival is claimed to be the ultimate outdoor multi-tool. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, it combines a wide number of instruments required on a camping expedition. Those likely to be used the most are a hammerhead and the hatchet blade on the axe head part, and a saw blade on the handle part. The latter folds into the handle, is equipped with a locking mechanism, and is replaceable, while the hatchet blade is made of hardened carbon steel and can be resharpened. In addition, the survival axe features hack sockets, a nail claw, a pry bar, a seatbelt cutter, and a can or bottle openers. Leatherman Free Collection. Leatherman is the original multi-tool brand that launched its first product to the market back in 1983. Still named after its inventor, Tim Leatherman, the company currently offers all kinds of gadgets, from original all-in-one solutions to adventure sports tools and wearables. Among the brand's most innovative products is the Free Collection, that uses a revolutionary magnetic system enabling one-hand opening and use of each tool. The lineup includes 3 series of instruments: the pliers-based P, the compact 2-sided T series, and the pocket knife-like K. Depending on the product, you will be getting from 8 to 21 tools, including a knife, a range of screwdrivers, and openers. Plus, all of the models in the Free Collection are covered by the brand's 25-year guarantee. Adventur Mate V2. The first generation of this Australian-designed and US-made multi-tool has proven rather successful among occasional campers and hardcore hikers alike. So this year, the company aims to bring the updated version of the 5-in-1 instrument to the market. The V2 still combines an axe, a hammer, and a hook that can be used as a bottle opener or a nail claw. Other two attachments are a new sharpened shovel head and a sturdier saw blade hidden inside the handle. The second generation Adventur Mate becomes even safer and easier to use thanks to its patented two-stage locking mechanism that secures the tool to the handle. The latter is once again performed using carbon fiber reinforced nylon with improved rubber grip. By the way, some of these items could be bought on Amazon, so make sure to follow the links in the description before shopping. This will help our channel a lot. Leave a like below and let's keep rolling. Gerber Gear ComplEat. Designed to make sure that you won't forget at home the most necessary utensils for your campsite kitchen, this multi-tool from the Oregon-based brand Gerber Gear combines a sturdy fork, a deep basin spoon, and a spatula in one package. The latter serves as the nest for the rest of the elements that can be secured in a single unit. The spatula is made using glass-filled nylon, so it is rigid enough to scrape off leftovers from the grill, and it is capable of withstanding high temperatures. The fourth part of the ComplEat is a small aluminum instrument that can be used as a bottle, package, or can opener and as a vegetable peeler. In addition, if you anchor the spoon or the fork opposite the spatula, you will get a fully functional pair of cooking tongs. Smilodon Shovel. At the first glance, the Super Shovel looks nothing like a tool to dig holes. Instead, its resemblance is much closer to a medieval weapon halberd, and a very deadly one at that. The manufacturer, however, does not really recommend using the Smilodon in this fashion. Instead, the multi-tool can become your all-in-one field survival kit. The shovel's blade is quenched at 1300 degrees to easily cut wire, chop down thick trees, and of course dig through any kind of dirt. The telescoping handlebar is modular as well, hiding a saw, a knife, a survival whistle, and a fire starter. The functional design of the Zunelotoo is patent pending and might indeed be the ultimate shovel to own. SOL Phoenix. Survive Outdoors Longer, or SOL, is one of the sub-brands of the New Hampshire-based Tender Corporation that specializes in creating unique survival kits and heat-reflecting gear. The 7-ounce Phoenix incorporates 8 survival tools, bringing our understanding of portability and functionality to a whole new level. The kit includes a fixed-blade knife with a serrated side, 2 pieces of tinder stored in the handle, a built-in whistle, and of course a bottle opener. Despite its pocket size, the Phoenix hides a big ferro rod and a retractable flint, while its tinder compartment is waterproof. By the way, you can clip this gadget on your head and use it as a headlamp thanks to the integrated LED light. Rhinokey. Designed to be used with one hand, the Rhinokey is a compact key organizer with everyday multi-tool functions and a built-in LED. This item can store several different types of keys at once. The tiny organizer also performs the functions of a hex wrench, screwdriver, bottle opener, and a ruler. Currently, the Rhinokey is offered in 2 materials, aluminum and titanium. The latter is more durable, but heavier by nearly 40%. Regardless of the metal choice, you will be able to take the Rhinokey on a plane, as it is TSA carry-on compliant. Were you intrigued by the versatility of some of these items, or do you think a single-use instrument is always a better option? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Must See Tech to get notified about the next episodes and to not think twice about watching some more videos on our channel. The Amazon links are down below. The like button is to your right. You know what to do. See ya!